Hi, I'm Dong. This is our current brushless upright vacuum. In this video, I will show you how easy it is to use, clean and store.
First, just put it in and start cleaning. No charging time, no battery rating, no running anxiety. The vacuum is designed for daily home cleaning. The motorized floor brush helps clean hard floor and carpet with simple push and pull movement. It has a 1.2 liter dust cup. For users, this means less frequent emptying during normal cleaning. Inside the dust cup, we designed a cycle cone structure. It helps guide dust down low, so dust is less likely to collect directly on the high-path filter. The vacuum also uses multi-stage for children with an H12 high-path filter. This helps reduce secondary dust pollution after cleaning. After cleaning, emptying the dust cup is simple. Open the dust cup, pour out the dust, and it is ready for the next use. The power cord is detachable. This makes store cleaner and easier, especially for home with limited. It also comes with wall mount storage. After cleaning, users can simply hang it on the wall and keep the room tidy.